Dana here with Awesome Kids Yoga, and it's a beautiful day outside. It's not raining. It was supposed to rain today. I'm grateful that it's not raining, so I came out into the garden to make a cake. I am making a cake for Van, my son, who's turning 11 on Friday. And so this is a pose that I do with the kids in class to celebrate birthdays or holidays or any kind of celebration where you would want a cake for. And it's a super fun pose. It starts with a Kundalini pose that kind of warms up the spine. We move with our breath and our bodies to warm up the spine and get the energy flowing upward. And then we do a seated wide-legged stretch, which is super fantastic to stretch your legs, especially if you've been sitting, homeschooling, or doing lots of homework or maybe video games. I don't know, with school out these days, what we're doing exactly, but it's a great pose if you've been sitting a lot. So check it out. I'm gonna go over to my mat and then we'll get started. Sukhasana, easy cross-legged sitting position. I call this crisscross applesauce. It's easy for the kids to remember and they all hear me say it all the time. So starting in crisscross applesauce, we're gonna begin to move our body with our breath. Inhale, come forward. You're making little circles. Exhale on the way back. Inhale forward. Exhale, going backwards. Just like this, continue to move your body. And imagine that in your lap here is a giant bowl. And that bowl is full of cake batter. And you're moving your body, this part of your body, your torso, your head, your abdomen. That is the spoon, and you're stirring that cake batter. Inhaling, coming forward. Exhaling, going back. And then we're gonna stop in the middle and go the opposite direction. Inhale, coming forward. Exhale, going back. Perfect. Moving body with breath. Moving the energy up our body and stirring our amazing chocolate cake. It's chocolate today because my son Vanna loves chocolate, so keep stirring. You can go faster if you want to, or you can slow it down. One more. Inhale, coming forward. Exhale, going back. And then you're gonna stop right in the middle, tall spine. This is your cake batter, and now we've got to put it in the cake pan. So you're gonna inhale, hands above your head, reach all the way up super, super high and lean over to the left side. Take a big scoop of that cake batter and plop it down in the pan in front of you. And then inhale, rise up again. Reach over now to the right side. Take a big scoop of that cake batter and plop it in front of you. And now we gotta pat the cake pan, get all the bubbles out. And then you're gonna open your legs out wide, pointing your toes towards your nose. Inhale your hands up above your head. Exhale your hands forward. And you're just gonna give a little shake to that cake pan. It's helping stretch the back of your legs. Plus it's really fun shaking that imaginary cake pan. And then we're gonna put it in the oven and set it today for about 5 seconds. We have a super fast oven today. Then you're gonna inhale your hands above your head. Exhale, reach forward and pull that cake out of the oven. So this is a forward fold. If your legs can go wider, go ahead. Just make sure to keep your toes facing your nose. Inhale, lean forward. Nice, tall yoga back. Take a big breath in. Exhale, fold a little bit deeper. Really reach for that cake. Inhale, bring it forward. Set it down and decorate it with whatever you want. You can reach over to the right and touch your toes, side stretch. Take a big breath here. Decorating the cake, maybe we'll write Happy Birthday Van on it. Inhale, hands up, reach over to the left for a big left side stretch. Maybe put some little sparklies or banners on the cake, something fun. And then we're gonna eat it. So bend your knees, point your toes. Bring your feet flat on the ground in front of you. Put your hands by your hips. Lift up to tabletop. Don't tell mom, don't tell dad. We're gonna eat this cake, not with our hands, but with our feet. Take a bite. And the other side. Keep your hips lifted high, drop your head back. Take a big last bite of the cake. And that is it for birthday cake for Van. Happy birthday to anybody who's having a birthday this week or any celebration that you are doing. And thanks for watching my video. Have a fantastic day and enjoy that chocolate cake. Namaste.